Hi guys, welcome to Aao Baatein Kare. Pooja here. This is your weekly read from 11th of October till 17th of October. So let's see what's coming towards the collective. Collective means towards everybody because this is a general read. So it will resonate with some and will not resonate with everybody. That's why personal reads are done. And whenever you see this video, do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the first card is narrow pathway, tread thoughtfully. So for some people, as you all already know, is difficult time. This is the time of change, and now Pluto has also gone direct, and Saturn has also gone direct. So there is going to be change, and if you have done your job, the change will be very positive for you. Okay, and it is time to overcome obstacles. Obstacles are part and parcel of life. There is no life which is just smooth sailing. Okay, so but we are will be strong enough to overcome the obstacles. That is the important thing. And third is love flows through you and to you. It is time for some to start loving themselves, start taking care of their own needs, start taking time for yourself, start giving self love to yourself. That can be taking 30 minutes more of sleep time, saying no when you cannot, when you really mean no for something. So do not say yes when you mean a no, and not overburdening yourself. So these are beautiful times for the people who have realized, yes, life is going to change is coming. I can feel it, guys. That change is coming, but all change is not bad. Change can be good. We are so stuck in a mentality that we want to stay in a cocoon or a bubble, but when we do that, we do not grow. So change is very important for our growth. So let's see what else. I'm going to use a lot of clarifiers also today. What is coming towards the collective from 11th till 17th October? Okay, the Tower moment has come. The Sun, the King of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so some of y'all are manifesting change, and y'all are discussing or working on different options that y'all are getting. These options can be related to money, income source, and these options can also be related to abundance, happy family relationship. So it is time, as perfect in the Libra season is to balance good with the bad, work with the rest, happy with sad. It is time to balance, and all of a sudden there is going to be a change. Now let me use a clarifier. What is the Tower moment? Just let me clarify this Tower moment for everybody. What is this Tower moment, and what should we expect? 5 of Wands, Fool, Magician. Wow. So something you have been struggling with, something that has been troubling you. It is time to take the leap. It is time to do something that makes you very, very happy. It can be a change of job. It can be a change in your relationship. It can be change in your home. So something you have been manifesting will happen all of a sudden. That is what a Tower moment is. Tower moment is when things happen all of a sudden. Maybe we know it, maybe we do not know it. Okay, and let me pull out some cards. that what should we surrender to make things more beautiful and fast for us. Okay, so let me see, what should the collective surrender to? Surrender to fear, surrender to your soul's path, and surrender to prayer. Beautiful. So surrender to prayer and leave how that thing will come to you on universe, on God. That is not your thing to worry about. Surrender to fear. Stop being fearful of change. Stop worrying about whether change will be difficult. And third is surrender to your soul's path. You have been sent in this life to finish a journey. So let that journey unfold. Do not hold on. That makes the journey more difficult. So let the journey unfold and keep moving forward. Okay, I would also pull out a few cards that what is the suggestion or guidance for us. So let's see, this is, and keep praying, keep meditating, and then let go. Let me pull out a few guidance cards to clarify. Another. Oh my god. Okay. See, there 100% something is happening. This is the second tower moment, and the guidance is we have to find out the devil energy in our life. The person who's controlling us, who's holding on. It can be a thought process. It can be a person. It can be an obsessive partner in life. So, and again, it is the Fool card. It is time to take the leap of faith. It is time to give that big jump. So see, two different decks. There is a tower moment, as you can see, and again two different decks. There is a Fool. I have seen another Fool. Oh yeah, here it is. So two Fools from two different decks and tower moment. So I think that is a beautiful reading and beautiful energy. Be ready for change. Just let go and go with the flow. And wonderful things are going to appear in our 3D life very, very soon. So have a great day, guys. See you again with another video. Do like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.